Welcome, and from me say HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how to import contacts from the SIM card to your device. And to get started, let me just quickly close this. So to get started, you want to open up the dialer app, and from here go into the contacts, tap on the three dots right here, and go to settings, where you will find import export, and in here you want to tap on import from SIM card, where it will show you all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. So from here you can either select all of them by tapping on select all. If you only want several of them, you can simply tap on them like so. Or you can also select all and deselect the ones that you don't want. Whichever one will be the quickest one for you and most, well, the best way to do it, then choose that way. But once you have selected every contact that you want, all you need to do then is tap on import, select phone, and we're done. The contacts have been imported. And if we go back, we should have duplicates, and there we go. So you can see now there are two Elon Musks right here, one on the SIM card and one not. And you can define which one are on the SIM card and which aren't, based on that tiny little gray icon on the side that represents, well, the SIM card. If you remove a SIM card, the ones with the gray icon will just disappear, which I can show right about now. Just pop it out. You can see they automatically disappear and only couple contacts remained. So that is how you would import contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.